Hi everyone, I'm Sushma and welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the SKYVIK's External Lens Pro 2-in-1 Lens Kit. First off, let us talk on why this lens is required. Like for that matter, why any external lens for your mobile is required. See, it's very obvious that we upgrade our phone or we look for better vlogging cameras or better phone only for the purpose of the camera, right? The better the camera, like we feel an inclination to go and try the new camera in the market. So what this external lens does is, it will amp up your game with already existing lens in your phone. You just clip it on and then boom, like you have a whole new dimension to your videos. So that was the main motive of me going and searching for external cameras. Other than that, I was looking for a mini vlogging setup without a very big investment. I just wanted to have a basic mini vlogging setup. The only thing was stopping me from vlogging was the camera setup. So I own a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite and it has a very good camera. It has three lenses. One is basic wide angle lens, one is ultra wide angle lens, and other is telephoto lens. All are of 12 megapixel and front camera is of 32 megapixel. But for me to vlog, I was initially not very comfortable with vlogging, just looking into the lens and vlogging. So I always vlog with front camera, but the front camera, it doesn't cover a lot of area, and by which you have to keep it at a longer distance. But with wide angle camera lens clip on, what happens is that once you clip it on the front camera, you actually can hold it as near as possible, yet you get a larger area and it covers you as well. And also when you're not comfortable or you're having some room for doubt, you can actually look into the screen on like how you look and what is the angle, what is actually getting covered. So that was my main motive, to get a clip-on additional lens. And there were many companies that were actually offering such lens. One is SKYVIK's, which I'll be reviewing today and which I eventually bought, and other two which actually look, one is from Adcom and other one is from Apex. First off, this SKYVIK's lens is like 2-in-1 as the name suggests. The one is the wide angle, there is 0.45x wide angle, and second one is 15x macro lens. All these being said, now let's go and unbox our lens. So first off, it comes in this parcel box, which has all the SKYVIK's branding on it. And also one good thing about it is they have actually written on this box that you have to record it while unboxing, so that if there is any kind of damage or anything, you have to claim something, so that video will help them. So you have to record and send it to them, they will look into it. So that's one good thing. And next, inside this box you get this outer covering of a product box, okay, which is a SKYVIK Signi box, and it has all the content and all the features, everything mentioned on this box. A very basic product cover. And inside that we have this very sturdy box, like the one you get for your mobile. Like it opens just like that. Look at this, it's very nice, very sturdy. Like look at this, very sturdy box. And inside that you have again a very sturdy box. It's almost like a hard disk cover kind of a material. Like look at this, very premium looking, very good quality one. And you have a lot of paper cutouts, which I suppose are like the brochures. So first is an instruction manual which tells my pocket DSLR. It's actually justifies the tagline because I have used it, and I'm telling it based on my experience. It has all the instructions on how to clamp it, how to use the lens, how to remove the lens, and what distance is best suited for using macro lens, how to clean it, and all those things. And next is this very cute cutout of Facebook like button. So if you like it, you have a note. If you dislike it, they have a note for you telling how to connect to the support team. Very cute cutout. Next is this Instagram handle of SKYVIK Signi, and so that if you click photos, with this lens you can actually tag them. Oh, you have a chance to win SKYVIK goodies as well, so that's a good thing. And oh, there's a thank you note on purchasing this from SKYVIK. Also, there is 6 months additional warranty and 15% off on your next purchase. So for that, to claim this, you have to register your product within 15 days of your purchase on their website. And yeah, this is how you claim your extra warranty and 15% off on the very next purchase. And all these are the mini brochures of their already existing products. This brochure is of their lens. They've got wide range variety of lens like amorphic lens, fish lens, wide angle lens, macro lens, telephoto lens, and they have these filters called as neutral density filter and color polarizer filters. So this is a wide range of lens they are offering. And they have 2 more products off the shelf. One is the wireless charging solutions, and one more is mobile holder. These mobile holders are, I think, specifically for on the drive vehicle oriented. Stick-on magnetic holder, there is windshield, dashboard, round magnetic air vent. Yeah, there is a very nice range of products that you can actually check out from their website. Now, going to the lens. So I am a big fan of their packaging, the way it has come. It is very nicely packed, and once you open it, you get to see at this side there is all the lens and the clamp holder, and this side there is this microfiber for cleaning, and also this small hook which you can hook it up to your zip of any of your bag that you're traveling, and it's very easy to carry. So this is all that was there at one end. Now look at this design. It has this kind of a cutout which is so sturdy, like your product literally doesn't fall off. Even when you're on the go, or when you're traveling, you can just open it in your vehicle where there is a lot of vibrations and there's so many things happening around, and you need not fear that somewhere it will get misplaced or it will fall off suddenly. Nothing of that sort will happen. Look at this, it's this sturdy. So this is the clamp holder. Talking about this, it is a plastic make, a very good plastic make, okay, and it has this spring system. Yeah, this clamp, it's very tight. So if it's this tight, you know how tightly it grips. It doesn't fall off that easily. And also one end it has threads, obviously, to lock your lens, and the other end you have this, I think it's kind of rubberish acrylic coating. The 2 sides also are of the same material. It actually sticks to the phone. Also, it doesn't damage your router aesthetics of your phone. So that's a good thing about this holder. Now coming to the lens. So this is the lens. It has front cover, it has a back cover. So back cover is basically like you have to remove from the threads, and then you have to lock it to the system. It's very sturdy, see? Doesn't fall off, right? And this cover, outer cover, is also, it clutches in very well. See, it doesn't fall off easily, so it saves your lens, inner lens, from all the damage and also the residue from sitting on top of it. So it's this sturdy, you have to remove it. It looks very professional, and see, I think this is like a metal make, if you can make out from the sound. Not at all plasticky. It looks good. The quality looks very good, and the make also, the red color, it's very nicely made, cutouts, everything is very beautiful actually. And so this lens, what you're seeing, this whole setup acts as a 0.45x wide angle lens. So, and the macro lens is just a part of it. For macro lens, you have to remove the outer part of it, and there you have, this is the macro lens. This is 15x macro lens that you have. So together they act as wide angle lens, and just with this it acts as a macro lens. It's very easy, just you take this one lens on the travel, consumes very less space, but still you have 2 lenses to work with. This was all about unboxing and talking about the external finish of it. Now let us talk about its working, and what are the pros, what are the cons that I felt, and how actually the quality of the photos or videos that I captured with it turned out. So let's jump right into it. So I own Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and whatever the footages that I'll be sharing with you right now, all the photos and videos that I've been recorded and clicked will be from that phone, okay, so that you can use those specifications of the phone and the phone that you are using, or so you can actually compare it, or you can gauge so how this lens will work on your phone. So talking about my personal experience, my phone has a rear camera. It already has a wide angle lens to it, so I don't have any necessity to plug it in for the rear camera. But then this being used in my front camera, that whole setup acts like a vlogging setup, and that's really great thing. I was looking for something like that, so it serves the purpose, so very good. And also I have seen when you plug it in, you should be very careful on you should actually orient it in the right way, otherwise you'll have some blackouts at the edges. So that thing you can do it just by some trial and error. And also wide angle has some kind of a distortion, a little amount of distortion can be seen, because it will be obviously enhancing your area that is being covered. There'll be little distortion, but I don't have any problem with that, because it has a right balance to it. You can actually not make it out unless you keenly go and look into it, so that is good thing. And macro lens, this was my first time doing any macro photography, so with the beginner kind of experience, you can gauge whatever I'm telling right now. So I had a very good experience. What I noticed about it is the enhancement of the depth is very good with this lens. You actually have a good depth effect. It is not too smoothed out or too sharp. It is very good, and it gives that bokeh effect also. And one more thing, as I told you, in my Samsung Galaxy phone there's already a wide angle lens. When I plugged this into that camera, it suddenly turned into fisheye lens completely, like the fisheye effect. So it's already wide angle lens, you plug this wide angle 0.45x wide angle into it, and it completely turns into fisheye. It adds an extra effect to it, and that's a nice thing. And my phone already has a 10x magnification in its rear camera. So what I did, I was just experimenting around, and I just plugged in up a 10x magnification, and I was just experimenting. I just shot on the scalp with hair and all. I literally was able to see the hair strands, literally, like it was like a microscopic view. You can experiment and get some good footage. It kind of kindles a different idea in you, and then you can actually go and play with it. So this was all about the pros, and a little con was the distortion, but it's not too much for the price point that you're paying. So that was all about the product. Let's move on how to purchase it. The product is available on their website as well as on other platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. One good thing about buying on their website is that you'll get additional discount. And one more thing that literally amps up this whole purchase. Obviously their build is good, the finish is good, the lens works like amazing, at least from my very noob experience. Other than that is their customer interaction. After purchasing, they actually send you the tracking link, so you can track on when it will reach you. But still, I was very skeptical on whether it will reach to me on time or no, because I was supposed to leave on a trip. So I just mailed them, and they responded really quickly, and they told, for your Peri pin code, it will surely reach on time. And the next thing is that my very curious mind, as I was going on trip in monsoons, I just wanted to ask them whether this is waterproof, and I have some hydrophobic solutions that I've got which is used on automobiles. So I was like, what if I used it on the camera? Will it make it waterproof? Will it hamper my lens? Etc. etc. I had all these questions. Mailed them, and they were very humble enough to take account of my curious mind and respond to me, and that's a very plus point for this whole purchase. Other than the great packaging and premium looking product, this was all about the unboxing and reviewing of SKYVIK Signi 2-in-1 lens kit. Hope you all like this video, and this was my first unboxing video. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down on what you liked in this video. And if you have any more questions on this, please comment down below. I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye.